Kanina to. Thank you. Ay,
Dami alam paano yung office.
okay lang.
Sorry,
Oh, bye. Paano to? Paano to? Pipindutin matagal?
Oo, yung gitna.
Napintot mo na yun.
Opo. Ah!
Charger pa yan.
Oh, pwede na isang power bank.
Pag hindi nasa kotse.
Ha?
Pag hindi nasa kotse yan. Di ba sa kotse yan?
Pwede namang ano eh. Pang ano yan, pang bomba ng gulong.
Yan?
Oo, ba ng ball.
Kako pang ano yan?
Hindi lang sa pangkayan. Pang ano yan.
Kako sa kotse yan, kanin.
Hindi. Binili ni daddy pang ano, hangin.
Wala pera mo ako.
Dati pa yun.
Wala pera mo ako.
Okay.
Ayun lang, andito yung bata.
Yun, tama-tama, Jade.
Ay, ma!
Kaka-start lang namin. Tara na. Mag-drawing ka na.
Hindi yan nga ako marunong.
Kaya nga magpa-practice
Kung kaya ko lang stickman eh.
Oo, edi, stickman. Kaya nga magpa-practice everyday. Sabi ka kay Kuya Eman, no? Para may makita.
Pupu. Tama?
Oo, tayo
Oo,
lagi
tama.
na.
I found Zasha, people are rating this game the most scariest one. Should we play it or no?
Yeah.
Baka umiyak ka.
Yo, iyak no. I
We just played Ricky and Vic.
cry, Jay.
You literally just played Ricky and not even one of the top 10 and you already almost cried like Ema naman! Yung monster nasa harapan ko! Paano hindi matatakot? Mas nakakatakot to. It's like so realistic.
It's not even, I don't think that's not even scary.
Yes, it is, bro. I forgot the name. Let me search it.
Walang pentel pen
I
dyan.
forgot.
Wala. You know, block. Hindi ko magana to eh. Anong hindi? You wasted.
Jates, tumakas sa magluto.
No.
Ay, magluto.
Oh my gosh. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Hala ma! Why do birds suddenly flip?
6 minutes to escape an animatronic named Noisy, and your goal is to find all the objects scattered around the map.
Patapos na ako.
There's one thing to know.
Okay, go
If
na.
you make too much noise, then you will die. No place is safe here.
Buka,
Ay,
Jade.
wala. Dito kaya ni Ate Liza.
Kaya ko yan.
Pag maingay daw, hahabulin ka.
Kaya yan.
Naka-mic ka eh.
Noisy animatronic.
Naka-mic?
This game,
Wait lang.
is going to F tier. I don't know who lied to you.
Nakakapag-mic ba kayo?
Roblox games to
Ha?
Hindi, kailangan ano eh. Ano? ID.
Tsaka mamang mapa 8 for.
Yeah, like you have to put like a lot of stuff. No.
Kailangan mo ID
Scary.
or 8 ay tsaka 8 first game.
Pwede age verification
Ayaw
mo.
ko.
play with your friends.
Bakit?
This game, you
I
have
would
Ikaw,
rather,
upo ka ng upo.
I would rather do
Oh,
no
where's
internet.
I think it was like something Milberry something.
Papakuha tayo tayo.
Ano ba pinapanood mo?
Ito.
These are some of Roblox's
Ano tawag si Jade?
Hindi. Sinabi ko na.
you are placed in an ecstatic coma,
Ito.
very counting, where you encounter entities called fallen angels. You have been left home alone.
Gawa na lang. Drawing ka na, Jade.
Ako.
Kaya nga, Jade.
No.
Kaya nga, Jade.
What makes this a little empowering is that it's not one of them fast action.
May light ba na green dito? May light? Hindi ka maano.
Where you'll actually feel
Kahit anong
Ito
green
kaya.
dyan,
Ito
light.
kaya ni Ate Liza. Hindi daw puro takot-takot, hindi puro jump scare. Yung ano,
Baka kuhanin yung
Kalma-kalma.
baby ha.
yung
Hindi, okay na yun. Yung scare, hindi na alarm.
Yung isa,
Oo.
yung noisy animatronic.
Oo.
Okay. Tapos, pag di mo kaya, Mulberry Country.
Kaya ko yun, Jade. Ako pa.
Pag na-complete natin or kaya di natapos.
Kuya, can you hold this? Tapat mo sa akin. Yan. Tapat mo sa akin. Yan.
Sa gabi ka naliligo, Jade?
Yeah.
Sa ate Tanya.
It depends. Sometimes in the morning. Before she used to bath like in 12
Ang gabi?
p.m. Yeah.
12 a.m.
Yeah. But sometimes,
Buti, gising pa siya nun.
huh?
Payag si mama, gising pa siya.
Yeah.
Sabagay, wala naman pasok. Eh.
Before, that was before pa.
Ayos mo?
You cannot borrow that.
Saan?
Who's? Pinulot. Kuya, wag ganyang kalak. Okay, whatever.
That's so practice.
Hmm?
That's so practice for the video.
Video. Kaya God.
Drawing ka na.
The only time I can draw with is only when like before, like in grade 3 when I'm still in St. Benedict. That's only when I'll could draw, and also when I was like a kid.
Have you ever tried drawing?
Yeah.
Right now? Or-
Right now, I've never drawn this. I've never drawn in so long. Probably the last time in our project. But one of my classmates' name is Sky. He's really good at drawing, almost like the same level as you. But not at he's not that good in like painting. Only like in sketching. You know what? He will make a lot of money and when it's like projects, like drawing projects. He will make drawings, then people will buy those drawings.
Oh?
Yeah.
Sino bumibili?
Mga classmate ko.
Wow.
How much
galing
are
ah.
they?
Depends on what type of drawing. If it's like not that ugly but not that pretty, like just maybe 5 or 10 pesos. If it's like really good, maybe 20 pesos.
Wow, galing
But so
naman.
cheap. Cheap.
Okay lang.
Yan.
Kasi ang mga students naman ang baon lang nila sa school, hindi naman malaki. Mga 10 pesos, 20 pesos.
But Sky is not in our school anymore.
Ay, ganon.
Yeah. Because sometimes when it's recess, he's going to hingi pang pagkain to our classmates. Then we know how. He started not going to school. So we asked Mom Lorraine. Mom Lorraine said he already moved to school because of now he's living with his grandma ata, because his mom will not give him money and will not feed him.
Kawawa naman.
So he can't even pay for his football. Kasali siya sa football eh.
Hindi ka sumali?
Football?
Hmm.
I don't have to play football, but I've tried it one time. There's also one there, like, there's a professional, there's one of their best players there. His ball, he said, practice ako. And he said, okay, get the ball from me. I haven't been tried, and he couldn't get the ball from me. But, tinatamad ako, takbo ng takbo yun eh.
Saya nga yun eh.
Yeah, but I have asthma. So every time, like, when I'm running, when I suddenly stop, I'm going to be like,
You have asthma?
yeah, you didn't know.
Thanks, man.
You're lying.
Bro, I'm not lying. Tanungin mo pa si Mama.
You're lying.
Nga.
If I ask Ate Tanya, will she say the truth?
Yes.
You don't have asthma, dude.
Yes, I do.
No.
Yes, I do. What? How did I die?
Badutakanan pa ako dito, ma'am.
Okay na.
Si Bunting.
Ikaw.
Sino yun?
Buntis.
Pag ito talaga dinifuse na ito. Oh my God, sana all baliw. If he pulls this up. How did he pull that up?
Ako din, ma, matatagalan ako.
What are you drawing?
Doodles.
Yung
Doodles.
budots.
Doodles!
Ganda yan.
What's godel? Actually, I do not know what godel is.
Doodle!
Ah, doodle. Narinig ko godel eh.
Oh!
Sorry na. Oh, well.
This is what
O, ba't ganyan nag-stick drift yung ano ko?
Sino naman
Uy,
yan, ma?
sayang.
Hindi ko alam.
Huli ka.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Huli ka.
Gusto ko nga sana mag-drawing ng multo dito eh.
Hala, katakot, bro.
Hoy,
Jake, shut up.
I'm being scared.
You're not being scared.
Bro, ba't ayaw tumama? Parang may pader siya sa mukha niya para di siya matumaan.
Gana nung drawing ko. Sus na ako.
What did you draw?
Hindi ko alam.
Ha? Ha?
Ha?
Ha?
Ha?
Ha? Who's that?
Character. Nakaupo sa lift.
kaya.
Ah, akala ko lift talaga siya. Patingin ng budol mo.
Anong budel?
Sabi mo budol eh.
Doodle, Jake!
Kanina sabi mo budol. Too late, you already said budol.
Ikaw, bulol.
Tumakas ka! Wait lang, may lalagay lang ako sa chat. At ko tinali eh. Pag. Uy, grabe, paldo, na-clutch niya! Sino yun?
Pwede to sa bike, Daddy.
Billy! 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 Billy!
Hoy, do not traumatize pain.
Excuse me,
Yay!
you're very traumatized.
Billy! 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 Do you know your name is not actually Billy? It's called Billy because your name is Billy.
What?
Raiko! Raiko! Tumakas! Pag tumakas yan, Ano yun? Sana! Ito wala! Yan, patay! Haha. Ay, sayang is ko. Kinuha yung iso. Haha. Oh, did you not? Belar! 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 Belar talaga ito. Belar. Belar.
Yeah, he doesn't care about you.
Kulit na ito ni Belar, oh. Si Belar.
Kuya, ano yung tsura ng app ni Spotify? Logo.
Spotify?
Oo, yung parang 3 lines o ano.
Ano? 3 or 4 lines. Yung pinogis yung...
Tumahimik ka.
Ano ka na?
Ma, kinuha ko yung cellphone na.
Ano ba ito?
Cellphone ni Kuya. Logo.
Ng Spotify. Spotify ito. Hindi talaga yung Spotify. Spotify ko yan. Spotify ito.
Shut
Ah. Oh, kinumpleto ko. Ang talino ko talaga.
Yeah, I'm done.
Guys, umutot si Ate Laisha. Don't worry, I'll save you.
Yeah. I mean,
You're a great hero, Jade. Even though you fart at my
really?
face one time.
Really, man? You're tickling my feet. Oh, Mamma Mia, chicken may suya. Mama. Mami. Chicken. Yan o, chicken. Chicken. Yan. Chicken.
What?
Sayang. Pang good luck.
What the? How does scrub?
Boy, just pet her.
I
Why?
don't know.
You think I scrub her body?
No. Why would I?
Because you said yuck. Swipe her down. Hindi pa yun down. Up pa yan. Billy, you're shaking my leg. How did you do that? E-I-E-I-O. Trip mine. Billy. What do you guys call Billy Pork Chop?
I called him that because he looks like fat. Well, he is fat. Wait, it's a she. Forgot her.
Uy, Billy!
Ano po
Nautot
yan
daw si
eh,
Ate
alam mo.
Laisha. Tulungan mo.
Alam mo, Jade? Pinipigil ko lang nga eh.
What? You're lying.
No, I'm not. I'm telling the truth.
Then if you're lying with a fart now, kasi di mo kaya. Parang tumatay si Pibu. Ay, si Pibu ba yun? Si Peppa? Look, parang tumatay. Bilis.
Walaan mo.
Wala na. Parang tumatay siya kanina. Nakaginto. Nakaginto.
Dapat nakita tayo sa video.
Aray ko. Aray ko. Pag umutot ka, Ate Laisha, isabihin mayaman ka paglaki mo. O diba? Di ka
Okay.
pala nauutot eh.
Wala pa kasi. Hindi pa
Ano
ako
yan?
ready.
Ano yung reload? Oh! Astig kilikili, boy!
Ew, Jade.
Ew, Jades.
Ew, Jade.
Ew, Jades. Are you gay? You're gay?
Jade, I'm not even a boy.
I know. So you gay means like trying to be a girl, and you a girl. So Because that means you're gay. But real
Jades! 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 Uy, Jades, kaibigan mo. Jades, kaibigan mo. Ay, hindi.
Tayo.
Uy, sino yun?
Ito, sa sagot ko.
Naka-mic?
Oh. Pero di ako naka-mic, naka-sound lang ako para marinig ko sila. Gusto ko marinig nagsisigawan eh. I tried it on ML, but it wasn't like an enemy. It was like a husband and wife. Ayan na! Ayan na! Bulag! 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 Ay, sayang. Dapat namatay. Ang ginagawa nito?
Codem yan?
Ay, hindi! ML!
Ano? Tinatanong ko eh! Akala ko kasi Call of Duty.
Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Are you stupid?
Joke lang.
Are you stupid? Benny, good luck. Let me tap your head. One.
I can't believe
Do you know?
This is even
Do you
my
know?
cousin.
Do you know? Do you know?
Do
my
you know
classmate.
what?
Do you know my classmate is gonna die if a nuclear bomb hits him directly on the head?
Oh, we didn't know that, Jade.
Yeah, it's such a mind-blowing fact.
Yeah. When you... Paano pag na-hit... Paano pag na-hit ka ng nuclear bomb? Mamamatay ka o
Magre-respawn. Oh my god, you're so dumb. Mic kaya ako? Gusto mo mag-mic ako?
Bahala ka.
Okay, mic. Everybody at Atlas says she likes you.
What the frick? Yeah, I don't know.
Hala, nag-respawn siya. Sabi niya gusto ka na rin.
You. I know that's fake, Jade.
No, I'm not joking. Yun,
Hindi ka
sumagot
kasi
siya.
naka-mic. I'm not dumb.
Oo, patay. Sugarap. I don't know what that means, but it's a meme. Saan? Uy! Panis ka, boy. Kahit pogi ka ng kili-kili ko. Binugbubog ako sa kili-kili ko. Di mo get? That means, I'm pogi.
No.
Alam, nagbura siya kasi di siya magaling. Close, ah. Oh, so.
Is your mic on, James?
No.
Hindi ba?
Ha? Gusto mo i-on ko na? Tingnan mo. Pwede ko to i-on. Danti ka. Pindutin ko. Amoy ko yung utot. Ay, di pala naka-on. Thank you, Lord. When it's about to end, what should I say? Bawal ay. Just pick. Pick what I'm gonna say.
Uy, nag-picture pa.
Ja.
Ano yung minutes na?
Yeah.
12
Oh, ang bilis.
Ang bilis o ang saglit?
Tumingin ka sa akin mga mata. Thank you, kuya. Pero mo na. Ano pwedeng kanta?
Uy!
Pili ka kanta.
Why siya pinay kasi?
Huh?
Why siya pinay?
Ayoko na.
Ipapagkanta mo sa nila. Ay, wag na.
Wisit! Ah, Penny! I almost stepped on you. Aray ko. Oh, boom, patay. Wah! Ay, hindi pa tamatay. Sige, lumapit ka.
Jade, you're giving me a headache.
The picture is still on cakes.
Yeah, but you cannot hear. Wait lang, I'm just gonna become a ninja. Aray ko. Patay na sila.
Yeah, there's still more.
Ay, sandali ka. Ingay na ito ah. O, diba kahit distract nyo ako pa rin ang top 1 sa leaderboard. Bro, it's 4-4. Who wins this one wins it all. Wala akong naririnig na footsteps. That's weird. Sabi kasi Mama Mia eh. So this baby looks like that. She was like this, oh. She's walking like this. No way, bro just won with machine pistol. That's crazy! And he's crazy. May saltik siya sa utak. What should I say? When it's gonna stop? When the round is gonna finish? Lima, what should I say when the round is about to finish? I'm gonna on my for real. What should I say? Ball, I am gay.
Huh?
Ball, I'm gay. You're not allowed to like say I'm gay or something. Okay, go. That's how should
Can
I
I say Can I say something mean, something like that?
to them?
Yeah.
Okay. Because they're trash.
Never say, ang baho ninyo.
Baho?
Yeah.
Wait, let me see. Let me just make that, like, oh, he might not clutch it, so 1v1. But that's okay. I'm gonna say, ang baho. Sa sobrang tagal yun naglalaro, ang baho. I know.
Yeah.
No. I'm gonna say, walang kayong quota. I don't know. What did I say? I don't know what to say. Yes! Oh, I didn't say it in time. Di mo kasi sinabi activation. It's defying gravity.
But Jake.
It's defying gravity. Oh no. I guess almost finished. No.
Oh.
Kailan kayo matatapos?
home.
No. We're going to play that game. As you said, kaya mo, di ba?
Hindi na po. Kaya ko pag umuwi.
That doesn't make sense.
Umuwi ka na.
No!
Umuwi ka na.
No!
Umuwi ka na.
No!
Lauren! I wonder what you're doing, Jade.
Like how many more minutes? Is it gonna take like 1 more minute?
1 more hour.
Yeah.
Kain na ba kayo o mamaya?
Maya na?
Ikaw, Jade, gusto mo kumain na?
No! No! Sino yun?
Wow!
Sino
Yeah.
yun?
What are you doing?
Ha? Meron?
Sino yun?
Ang galing.
Okay. Tapos na.
Guys, look at this beauty. Dito kasama, ito na.
Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you!
Uy man!
Ay, baliktad pala! Yan na!
Hindi ka linog na.
Kuya man,
Ano ba yan? Hindi.
lalagyan na natin ng,
Ha?
ng timer. Sila
Ay, malambot.
ng
Yung maniban?
to see.
Yan.
You have to finish it in 3 minutes. Kaya mo?
Lately you've
3 minutes?
On the drawing?
Yeah.
No, I can't.
5,
No.
7,
Wala to.
8,
Come you act so
9.
different. Taught to
Bro,
me
Kuya man, it's gonna
a
take too
mistake.
long.
All the love
10 minutes.
you
10, okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
You literally put 1 minute.
10 minutes talaga yun.
Okay guys, hindi pa pala ako tapos.
Okay, kayo lahat 10 minutes. Kayo dalawa 10 minutes.
Kukulayan ko lang yung sa akin. With a crazy one. Di ba, Jade?
You're crazy? Oo.
Excuse me, you're the one who's crazy.
Excuse you farted?
Yes.
Hello!
Pero silent fart yun. Kaya
Hello, bro! Ayun kasi yung pinakamaba ko.
Oh, lagot ko kay Bailey. Bailey, baho mo daw.
Uy, wala akong
Kaya
sinabi.
ganun. Awayin mo na yan.
Sige! Ano? Gusto mo yun? Si Billy.
Bahay.
Billy!
Kids,
Ayaw niya pumunta. Sabi niya ang pangit na daw.
go rin.
Kumain ka na, Jay.
Hindi pa. Dinner?
Kain ka.
Na. Ay!
Malamang dinner, Jade. What do you think? It's shower time, Jade.
Yeah.
Shower time!
You should go and shower.
What is shower time?
Time mo.
I've never showered in my entire life. I just put perfume.
Yeah, you never brush your teeth.
Hoy! Muntikan na, bro.
Go kasi.
Ako!
Oo, sino?
Oh, no. Siwa!
Sino
Siwa!
ka?
Siwa!
Ito.
Oh, no. Nasira.
Ako kasi. Gusto mo juice?
Anong juice? Ayan, juice?
Oo.
Hindi, just sa fake.
Oy, ba't mo alam yon? Lately, you've been busy.
Eight more minutes.
Yeah, I'm done.
Hard.
To pick what game we're gonna choose, I'm going to use. I'm not gonna use spinning thingy badingy. Okay?
What do you mean? Bitchy butchy.
So get down on it down.
What are you?
Yung matay ko to sa'yo. Mulberry.
Hala, may mall ka daw, kuya.
Di kasi, yun kasi yung pangalan ng
Eh,
game.
may mall naman talaga yung mga tao eh. Oo.
Yung animatronic. Anong tawag ng animatronic?
Oh!
Joke lang.
Lahat na lang,
Okay, game. Piliin natin ang anong laro piliin natin? Yung animatronic or yung pinaka nakakatakot? 3, 2, 1. It's up to 3 ah. Up to 3. Ang una ay animatronic. Okay?
Ay,
Yes.
That's one for animatronic. That's one for mulberry.
what is that name? What's the first game we copy?
Yeah, which one we're gonna play? Up to 3. Animatronic na naman. Then, the one that wins, I will explain how to play it. Animatronic ang nanalo. This one to play, this is how it works. If you're noisy and you like knock stuff down, he's gonna chase you. He has like a red light, so if you see that light, run. And the goal is to find all the, like, I think 5 objects, but you have to find some object around the map without him killing you. Without him finding your... I don't think you'll die agad when he holds you, but I don't know. Okay.
Lang? Yun lang?
I don't know. Ewan ko. But that's how it works.
Okay, I'm done.
Wait lang, I'm almost done.
Please, can you stop me?
What's that?
Parang may dramatic na music.
Baka mamaya mag-copyright yung feature kasi.
Ah. Okay,
Okay,
let's put
tapos
some...
na. I'm done, no. Orchid flower.
Okay. You finished
Ma,
that?
tapos na kami.
And only 5 minutes. Sabi ko sa'yo, kaya mo 5 minutes eh. Sabi mo, hindi. So, yeah.
Ma, drawing ko. I'm sure best Hindi ko alam kung ano yung kinakanta. Ito, drawing.
Tapos ka na rin?
Oh, pagkita ko na eh.
Ito, Eli. Tapos na.